Whoop whoop. This episode's gonna get quirky. Can't believe I've never made that joke before. Give us one moment. Give me one moment. Hey guys, this week on My Drunk Kitchen is all about the following sentence. Ooh. We're getting back to basics. Basic like basic, bitches? No, that's a horrible thing to say. Okay. This week in My Drunk Kitchen, we're talking about how not to overcomplicate things. Why, you may ask? Because sometimes we make things complicated to justify our lack of action on them. If you say it's a difficult situation or a difficult scenario, then you think, oh, me not having done anything yet makes perfect sense. When in truth, you're really just buying time. Did someone say time? This is parsley. So we are going to make egghead noodles, which is somehow related to overcomplicating things. Step one, relax, have a drink, chill out, take a minute, take a breath, meditate, do yoga, take a step back, adopt a dog suddenly. Ollie, parsley? The important element of step one is that you get some space from the issue at hand. Ollie! Step two, evaluate what's important to you. That's a key step in figuring out your shit. The opinion of others, my values. Good. Woo! How cooked are you? Oh, the game is called Pilot Light. By overcomplicating a situation, what are you doing? You're playing with fire. Like this. A great way to check if a noodle is done is to add butter and cheese, mix until cheese is melted, top with parsley and eat. How, you may ask? Well, use a delicate karate chop. So simple. Empty the water. Hot butter water. Everything is hot and burning. Empty the water from your noodles and then look at your noodles and be like, yum! That looks delicious. Now you have hot egg noodles and half a thing of butter. Add it. Amazing! Take your drumsticks pan, stir the butter. Does this sound like childbirth? Ollie. Sit. She's a genius. A key element in not overcomplicating things is not adding too many steps. For instance, did he call? Did she call? What did that mean? What did that mean? What did I do? What did she do? Don't fucking worry about any of that shit. When it's right, it's right. Don't overcomplicate. The next step in not overcomplicating things is adding copious amounts of cheese. Don't be a people cheeser or a pleaser. Say cheese, friends. Last but not least, add some parsley. Oh my god. Ollie, if you poop everywhere, I forgive you. Use the top of the pan as a plate. Why? Because that's fucking brilliant. And now you have your egghead noodles. Egghead is ironic because I'm saying don't overthink it. Go with your gut, and your gut says, this is delicious. Okay guys, I don't mean to get real. Just kidding, I totally do. But sometimes I need to accept the fact that it is what it is. Move on. You're eating noodles out of the top of a pot pan lid. And that's okay. Why? Is a great question. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Click like if you like this video. Leave a comment in the comments below if you have something to say. I really want to hear what you have to say because I care about it. Subscribe to this channel for new videos every Tuesday and Thursday. And remember, have a great day. Mwah. Wee! I can't do the splits.